In this session, we will cover adding attachments to invoices. So once we have our data within the integrator in terms of the invoice data, we then move to the attachment section. We can type directly into the section if indeed we know the parameters. Equally, we can use the data form associated with that section of the integrator. So once in that section, it will automatically bring up the attachments form. From here, we move through each of the fields. First off, we need to add the upload action of create. Use the list of values to select the attachment type. It can be a file, text, or a URL. In this case, we'll use text. We can add an attachment title. We can then add in a category, so it might be to payables. Attachment description can be added. If we are adding a URL, then we can add the URL, or in our case, we're going to add the text content. And then once we've added our data, we press OK, which will then populate the form. Now, initially, when we're creating the invoice in the first instance, we will need to go through either the validation process as a separate process or the validation and upload process as a single process. You can see as we've entered the data, the attachment status, it has pre-validated the data associated with the attachment. And as I say, we can go directly to upload selected, and this will effectively create the invoice in Oracle Cloud as well as adding that attachment. Once that process is complete, we'll now see the attachment status has been accepted, so therefore the attachment has now been loaded against that particular invoice in Oracle Cloud. At this point, if we wish to add another attachment, we can simply do the same process on the line beneath it, and we can add a second attachment. So we'll go ahead and add another text attachment. Select the category, add the content test 2, and we want to add the create as the upload action. So once we've done that, we'll then just go through that upload process again. Once complete, we can check the status column, and as you can see, the second attachment has been accepted. So we'll now just take a look at that invoice in Oracle. And as you can see, we have 2 attachments against that particular invoice.